Alright guys, welcome back. So, today I'm going to take you into the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to officially make Turkish coffee. I got the briki, which is the pot, and all you need is water and the ground coffee. It's either Turkish coffee or Turkish Greek coffee. But yeah guys, so here we go. So this is what the pot looks like. This is about maybe a little less than 8 ounces, I want to say. But yeah, pretty dope. Bought on eBay for a very good price and free shipping. So the first step you want to do is to add room temperature water. That way it can boil fast. So you just like so. You don't want to really want to fill it all the way up to the top, but about there, it's pretty good for a good cup. Then just want to turn on your heater, and you want to kind of keep it at a medium and just let it slowly boil. Next, you want to add in your coffee. You kind of just do it by the spoonful. This brand is from Nestle. This is an okay brand. The last brand that I had when I made my last video on this was way better. You can also buy that on eBay. Sometimes they do deals where they actually throw in the pot. But yeah, so I'll open this guy up and we'll show you. Personally, I don't really like it that much, but it works. It's okay. I mean, if you can afford, it's a little bit of a cheaper brand. So do what you can, guys, if you're on a budget. Buy this if you like to make Greek Turkish coffee, or get the good stuff. All right, so you want to add about this much at a time, maybe about 2 to 3 spoonfuls of that, a good size of that. And you want to try to equalize out how much ground coffee you're adding with how much sweetener you're going to add, because it really does taste like dirt, guys, just to be honest. I personally like it, though. It's got a good flavor to it, and with a certain sweetener, whether it's honey or sugar, it's a very delectable drink. Okay, I'll add in another spoonful here. Oh shit. All right. Yeah, this might be a little too much. That last spoonful was pretty big, but this might be kind of ideal. You want to add maybe about 2 or 3 of these. So there you go. So the next thing you want to do is maybe turn up the heat just a little bit. I did that, and then you go ahead and just kind of stir it. Slowly back and forth, nothing to it. I thought that there was a specific spoon that you would get with this, but you can just use a standard spoon like this. Something small. It's pretty easy to do. So you stir it around a bit, and then you want to add in the sweetener. So I didn't even do a full spoonful of honey, but about this much. So we'll sweeten up the drink nicely. So you kind of just put that in there and just stir it like so. And if you see this foam at the top, man, I forgot what the name of it was. Anyway, this foam at the top, you want that to accumulate more towards the top. And the foam is very delicious from what these other YouTubers have put out there. It's very delectable. It goes with the cups. You can do many servings of this. You could actually have multiple pots actually here on the burners, depending on the size. So I could probably put maybe 3 over here on this burner. And you could cook up 3 pots at once, or 3 cups at once. I don't have the cups for it. I just bought the pot. I personally just like to use my own mug. Depending on how traditional you want to be with it, you guys can cook your Greek Turkish coffee any way that you want. So anyways, we're going to continue to let this boil, and we're going to continue to let the foam build up a little bit till we get it kind of steaming from the pot. So at this point, this is kind of where the foam really starts to accumulate, and this is kind of where you want to be boiling wise. As you can see, I've still kept it on kind of like a medium high. You just want to slowly brew and boil up this coffee. It really helps the grounds to get soaked into the water to make a really good, strong cup. So that's kind of the technique with developing the foam, in my experience anyway. Alright guys, so our coffee's about at that boil. It's about at that right temperature that you want to get it at, so now we'll go ahead and pour it. We'll see if I can do this right-handed. I have done it right-handed, but I'm also filming at the same time. Alright, so you just get a steady stream like that. Perfect. I do believe that for the cups, they pour all of the coffee in there with the grounds. Me, I just like to try and get as much of the liquid out from my cup as I can. Still getting some grams in there, and I kind of just get rid of the rest, because the rest of that's going to be grounds right in there. It might be a bit of a waste, but I just don't like drinking earth out of my coffee. So yeah, and that is Turkish coffee, guys. That's how you brew it up with the pot. It's the best way to do it. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Have a great day. Peace.